Ataxia. Defective muscular coordination, especially that manifested when voluntary muscular movements are attempted. Loss of the power to control movement or muscular action. Ataxia can manifest as difficulty with fine motor skills, such as writing or buttoning a shirt, as well as problems with balance and coordination, such as stumbling or falling. Ataxia can be caused by damage to the cerebellum, genetic disorders like Friedreich's ataxia, infections, multiple sclerosis, or alcohol misuse. Cross-reference, incoordination. It needs to be differentiated from incoordination, which means a lack of harmony between simultaneous acting muscle groups, whereas ataxia means instability in posture or gait. Cross-reference, awkwardness. Awkwardness is an ungraceful gait.